Blush Off is every woman's solution to removing makeup quickly, effectively, and without any left behind. Co-founder Katrina Skeebs is a busy mum of three, and she understands the love of course, many women have for makeup and taking it off at night. Of course, we say that about some of us who have to wear makeup as men too. Katrina joins us right now to talk about the company's hero product. Thanks so much for your time.
Hi.
I've spent a lot of time awkwardly leaving the office over the years and sitting down and someone looks at me and says, "Are you wearing makeup?" I think that my desire to find an easy way to take it off is pretty clear. Talk to us about what you do.
Okay, so a little while ago, I was in the wedding industry, and constantly the battle was, everyone was super happy to put it on and contour and watch all the tutorials, but taking it off was always this tedious issue. So, we basically put all of our brains together and sat down with a few makeup professionals, and before you know it, we tested 26 different brands, and then we basically nutted out what is it that every girl needs. And being a busy mum, I just want to get home from work, take it all off, slip into some PJs and get that Netflix on.
Absolutely. So talk to us about how the company actually started. So just 5 to 10 orders a week. How did it grow from there?
Okay, so in the very beginning, we basically, when we launched, we had sent out some packs to some beautiful influencers and some makeup artists. And, we were getting 5 to 10 orders a week. And we're like, okay, well, this is great. But, we need something to go wow. And we just continued to send out until one influencer, who is very well known to a lot of girls and a lot of makeup professionals, basically talked about it and had a sequence of why this product is so good and how easy it is. And I think that, after talking about it once and then, resonating with a lot of young girls, it just became something that everybody wanted to try. And then within 7 hours, we saw a record 214 sales come through. And wow. We were just in shock. We were like, wow, we've started a new business, and we've had to deal with a lot of, small business issues that a lot of people have. And then, of course, we had the Australian bushfires. And then after that, of course, we've had this pandemic. So, yeah, it was basically this one day and everyone was in lockdown and it just went crazy. So
that is just unbelievable. I want to get understand what you've done in terms of Blush Off's success due to innovation and also eco-friendliness, because obviously when we're taking makeup off, etc., the big thought is just dropping it down into the toilet bowl or whatever, but you really have put a lot of effort into eco-friendliness as well.
Absolutely. And our pad, you just have to add water to, and it takes it all off, even the heavy makeup that, a lot of us do wear on the daily. And the one thing that makes our product stand out is that we've created a shampoo cleanser that removes all the bad bacteria, your makeup stains, wow, everything. So, this little thing can help you over 200 times. So it's definitely environmentally friendly. It's chemical free, non-toxic, and it's suitable for all skin types.
Yeah, and just talk to us about what sets you apart from your competitors. Is it the innovation side?
Absolutely. We basically had our entire table full of pads from all over the globe. So we had makeup artists test them for us. And, again, being a busy mum, I'm super fussy and I just wanted something that works. Yeah. What sets us aside is that we've got a shampoo cleanser that, it's an all-in-one product, and this basically it removes all your makeup from your pads, but it also is an all-rounder. It cleans your makeup brushes, and girls are always in a rush and they leave it for so long. So after a while your brushes become full of dead skin cells and bacteria. So this guy does everything. He cleans your blender, cleans your brushes and your blush off pads. It's an all-in-one, stays on the vanity. Excellent. It's fantastic.
All right, Katrina, really appreciate your time. I know you're busy. We'll let you get back to it.
Thank you for having me.